Got the munchies for unpacking a flavorful expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unpack a tasty expression you might have heard before. Got the munchies for? This phrase is not only popular but also paints a vivid picture of a common feeling. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned to enrich your English vocabulary in a fun way. The phrase, got the munchies for, is a colloquial way to say that someone has a strong desire or craving for a specific type of food. It's not just about being hungry. It's about having a specific appetite for something particular. For example, if someone says, "I've got the munchies for pizza," it means they are really in the mood to eat pizza and probably won't be satisfied with anything else. Interestingly, the term munchies originated in the 1950s as slang for hunger, especially the kind of hunger you feel after smoking cannabis. However, over the years, its usage has broadened. Today, got the munchies for can be used in any context where someone craves specific foods, regardless of the reason behind their hunger. Using got the munchies for in a sentence is easy and can add a playful tone to your conversation. Here are some examples. After that long walk, I've got the munchies for some ice cream. Do you ever get the munchies for sushi at midnight? He's always got the munchies for spicy food after a workout. It's perfect for casual conversations and can help you connect with others over shared food cravings. And there you have it. You're now ready to add got the munchies for to your English vocabulary. This expression is a fun and casual way to talk about your food cravings and share your appetite with friends. We hope this video has been helpful and has added a bit of flavor to your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging language lessons. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.